How to become an affiliate. So access the normal Veridium trading prop account dashboard, or you can actually go to www.veridiumtrading.com and access this site once you've signed up for an account. Click on sign in, give it a second. Okay, go to the affiliate page and you will see this page and then start filling in the website, the Instagram, Twitter, affiliate link, and how will you promote our brand. So you can just type in any affiliate link or you can type in any website. If you don't have a website, no problem, just type in www.veridiumtrading.com and then click the submit page right here. After having clicked submit, refresh the page and go into this agreement tab below the affiliates tab here. Click sign and submit. Okay, once you read everything, I agree, and then click sign and submit. And after that, you can click on the affiliates tab next and you would find that you will see this page, which is different from what you saw just now. Then there is this affiliate code over here. For this account, it is VER757695. Each of you have a unique code once you become an affiliate. You can then pass these codes to potential referees of yours. When they use this code, they apply it on the purchase page, you will then get the referral commission. And ta-da, that's it. So do make sure that the referees use your affiliate code when they actually purchase the challenges. Do note that there is a withdrawal delay of 30 days, which means that you must wait 30 days after your first successful affiliate withdrawal before you can request for a second withdrawal. And there is a minimum withdrawal amount of $100 because of the processing charges. So happy affiliating!